Hello everybody, welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. My name is AJ and I am on the road sourcing crystals for the Rockin' Crystals shop. I am going to throw this video over to my buddy Jay, just Jay, no A, to teach you all about crystals today.
Hey there, Jay here. Crystals for beginners. To understand how crystals work, you can look to magical, mystical, and scientific explanations. You'll find many different colors, shapes, and sizes of crystals, each with a precious atomic arrangement and orderly structure. Crystals work through human energy system, all the chakras and aura. By working on the energy system, crystals can effect healing with the physical body. The energy that emits remains at a constant frequency. Whether a crystal is placed on and around the body that emits a lower frequency, it will encourage the body to match its higher frequency that can help lift your energy. To start your crystal journey, you'll have to connect with a crystal, cleanse it, and set your intention. Once you have done that, you can use your crystal daily to tap into your energy and discover its power. There are many uses for crystals, and what works for one person may not work for another. One of the easiest ways to connect with crystals is through meditation. Start by holding your crystal in one or both hands. As you close your eyes and focus on your breath, you may feel your body sink deeper into the earth, creating a grounding effect. You may feel lightness surrounding you, or you may not feel anything right away. Sometimes certain crystals will not resonate with you, while others will make the hairs on your skin stand up. Each crystal will feel different, so you'll want to be patient and keep experimenting. One of the best ways to use crystals is by setting an intention, which forces you to get clear on a specific goal you have for yourself. The crystal practice aligns your spirit and the crystal with the energy of your intention. That way, the crystal continues to be a visual and energetic reminder of what you want to accomplish. When you feel yourself swaying back into your old habits, connect with your crystal to help you get back on track. Another way to use crystals is in crystal grid, which is used to transform the energy in a space. You can pick crystals that align with your intention and set them up in a grid by building a symmetrical pattern. The crystals work to manifest an intention, while the sacred geometry of a grid helps to accomplish it quicker. Designing a peaceful, sacred space has become a crucial component of most yoga and meditation practice spaces. Using crystals in these calming displays adds a beautiful piece of earthy energy and brings a peaceful grounding presence. The crystal also reminds you to reconnect with your intention each time you revisit your space. The following are some of the crystals you can try to start on your crystal journey. Amethyst is prized for its beauty and stunning purple color. It helps with decision making, moving forward in life, and business success. It calms passion, oversensitivity, emotional energy, and grief. It enhances meditation, spirituality, and self-esteem. Wearing jewelry, hold in meditation, or place an amethyst cluster in your home. Black tourmaline is one of the most powerful stones for protection. It creates a barrier around you to shield your bad vibes and unwanted energy. It works by absorbing the lower vibrational energy around you so you don't take the hit. Place on either side or your front door, or carry it with you to keep its protective energy nearby and keep bad vibes away. Blue apatite awakens new ambitions and motivates you to take action, especially when it comes to your health and well-being. It is good for individuality and communication of ideas. Place in your home or carry it with you throughout the day. Cornelian unlocks your creative potential. It inspires you to take action towards you and create pursuits. It helps you to spark joy and excitement in all areas of your life, to include personal, professional, relationships, and more. Citrine is a crystal that harnesses the power of the sun. It is infused with light and positive energy, which helps to raise your vibration. and fill you with joy and happiness. It reminds you that abundance is a state of mind that encompasses friendship and joy as well as money. Clear quartz is considered the crystal of clarity. You can work with it to program your mind to bring what you want to life. It helps you to amplify whatever it is that you're trying to manifest in your life, whether it is abundance, calm, love, or joy, or even the energy of other crystals. Pyrite is a stone of wealth and success. It aligns you with the energy of abundance, wealth, good luck, and new opportunities, making it the perfect stone for setting intentions related to financial or career success. Place a piece in your wallet or your office. Rose quartz is the crystal of love of all kinds, of love to include friendship, family, romantic partners, and even self-love. Place over your heart to infuse with your comforting vibrations. Selenite clears and cleanses energy. It works to raise the vibration of everything that surrounds it. It flows positive energy into any room in which it is placed. Put a piece on your windowsill to purify and cleanse your home at all times. Shungite is known as the protection and a detoxification stone. It is one of the best stones for detoxifying your body, mind and spirit. Place a piece next to your computer or any electronics in your home. Place a piece on your cell phone to diminish the effects of EMFs. Carry crystals in your pocket or purse. The more contact you have with a crystal, the more aware you'll be of its energy. Carry with you as a gentle reminder of the intentions you have set and the goals you are working with towards.
You can win a crystal by leaving a comment and letting us know what you love about crystals. Also be subscribed to this channel. We give away a new crystal with every video upload. If you're looking to buy crystals, we have some amazing deals available at our crystal shop. Link in the description below. Grab yourself a free copy of the Crystal Compendium, which has over 250 crystal definitions. Link in the description below. Join our crystal affiliate program if you'd like to make money selling crystals. We pay a 22% commission for referred sales. Enroll in our crystal healing course. Link in the description below, along with a link to our affiliate program, and check out the Crystal Meanings app in both the App Store and Google Play Store for crystal meanings and definitions at your fingertips. It's absolutely free, pun intended. And of course, be subscribed to this channel because we learn something about crystals every single day. And who doesn't love learning about crystals? Okay, have a great day.